What is the Python 3 equivalent of Python M SimpleHTTPServer? What is the Python 3 equivalent of Python M SimpleHTTPServer?
From the docs. The SimpleHTTPServer module has been merged into http.server in Python 3.0. The 2 to 3 tool will automatically adapt imports when converting your sources to 3.0. So, your command is python m http.server, or depending on your installation, it can be
the equivalent is
using 2 to 3 utility. Like many Nix utils, 2 to 3 accepts stin if the argument passed is. Therefore, you can test without creating any files like so.
in addition to Petter's answer. If you want to bind to a specific interface instead of all the interfaces, you can use b or bind flag. The above snippet should do the trick. 8000 is the port number. 80 is used as the standard port for HTTP communications.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.